Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitek. Today I'll be showing you how to change your date of birth on TikTok. If you want to change your date of birth on TikTok, please follow this step to the very end. If you come to here, type on your profile. This is already my profile. Then tap on the three dots on the right corner of the screen on the right corner of the screen. Tap on settings. Then if you go to your account, you see there's no space for that. Even in the account information, you just have account region. What you have to do now is go to report report a problem, tap on it, tap on account and profile. You can see, tap on editing profile, change your username, change profile photo, updating name, changing value, and so on. Tap on others. When you tap on others, tap on need more. Okay, now you tell TikTok what you want to do. I want to update my birthday. I wrongly I mistakenly sorry mistakenly entered wrong dates. That way TikTok will be able to you can snap the date that you entered and send it to TikTok from here. You can snap it and send it to TikTok. Though I did not snap it, that's why I'm not sending anything. Then you submit. When you submit, TikTok is going to give feedback on how to update your birthday on or how to change your date of birth on TikTok. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe. Do not forget to leave a thumbs up to get updated anytime I upload a new video.